Hey, good morning, sir. Can you listen to me now?
Yeah, I can listen to you now. So this is the screen of your team member, Deepak, and I'm helping him to download the JDK. You also open a browser and search for JDK. Have you done the installation of JDK already?
Sir, actually, I have installed Eclipse earlier,
Uh-huh.
but I haven't ever tried this.
Okay. So now you share your screen now. So is it downloading, Deepak?
No, sir, it's not downloading.
Go back there. Let's see. Just click on that. Yeah. Expand that. Make it full screen. No. Just click on that. Don't right click and open.
It's just reloading on the same page, sir.
No problem. We'll wait. We'll see what happens. Okay, reload once. Reload this page.
So
Anyway,
should I
Prashant,
join
you
from my
also.
laptop?
Pardon?
So should I join from my laptop or from my smartphone?
You should always join from your laptop. You join from
Okay, sir.
phone
Actually,
or
no, sir.
what?
Before I joined from laptop, but you could not listen to me. That is why that I joined from
No
this
problem. Now
smartphone.
again join from laptop as well. But in laptop, mute the mic as well as the speaker. In phone, you can continue attending for the audio conversation.
Okay, sir.
Wait 1 second. Click on I reviewed. Okay, then click on download. Hold on 1 second. Wait for some time. Download will begin. Move your mouse cursor somewhere else. Just move. Don't click anywhere.
Ah. Share your screen, Prashant. Let's see if you can download it.
You cannot start screen share while the other participant is sharing.
1 second. Deepak, could you stop sharing your
Yes.
screen?
Ah.
Well, what should I do now?
1 second. Deepak, have you stopped sharing the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yeah, go to JDK download. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Even further. Yeah, download that. JDK 15 Windows 64 bin.exe. Second one from last. I think everybody's having the same issue. Same issue I'm also having here. So we'll do one thing. We'll go for a bit lower version. All right. Let me search that.
Sir?
1 second, I'm checking why that is problem. Okay. All right. There is a solution. You have to try downloading from a different browser. So try from your Internet Explorer, both of you. Yeah, all right. So it is actually working through other browser. Any one person share your screen, either Deepak or Prashant. What browser you guys are trying to download from?
I'm from Edge, sir.
Edge, all right.
It has started to download, sir.
All right, very nice. So share your screen then. Prashant, for you, is it downloading?
Yes, sir, I am downloading now.
Okay, so for you also download started, right?
Yes, sir.
So JDK 15 is the latest version. That's what we'll be using. And also download Visual Studio Code. Just search VSC download.
So VSC download.
Yeah. So Visual Studio Code is a text editor using which we'll be writing the programs. Not this. Yeah, the second one, download. Yeah, download that. Wait for a while, it will start. So you might have, if you have tried earlier, probably through some YouTube videos and all, you might have started learning where the trainer would have picked up Eclipse to teach you, right?
Yes, sir.
So
I haven't tried Java, sir.
you haven't tried Java at all. So I think Prashant have tried Java. So if you went through some of the videos online, most of the trainer will pick up Eclipse or IntelliJ to, teach you Java. But that is not the right way to start learning. The reason is because IDE will give you a complete power where a lot of code can be generated easily. So if you want to learn from scratch, from very, very basics, we should not go for IDE. Any basic text editor will do. The basic text editor is Notepad in case of you are using Windows, or Vim in case of Mac or Linux. So here what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a text editor called Visual Studio Code, which is quite popular, and it has created its own, it has become popular for certain reasons that you will understand sometime later. So let's go forward and.
And sir, which one? And sir, which one should I download? Like there are three options for this. So 64-bit, 32-bit ARM. And like
No.
all of
Just
them are
click
same.
on.
Which one? Like
There is a blue
.zip system installer.
There is a big blue button called download for Windows, right? You just click on that. Share your screen if you have to.
Okay, sir.
So can I start installing the software?
Yes, please go ahead. Wait for a second, Deepak. I will. So is it downloading, right? Okay, fine, Prashant. You can stop sharing your screen. Deepak, share your screen. Is it Deepak's screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so go for installation. No? Go to the location where it has been downloaded. So first, let's go for the installation of Visual Studio Code. Just double click on that. Okay, go for run. I accept. 1 second. Don't speed up. Okay. Next. Now select this option. All the options. Prashant, you got it right. You also have to do the same. Hello.
Sir,
So
I
I
have
have
just downloaded.
Okay. So when the installation you are doing, Prashant, you have to select all these options. All right.
Okay, sir.
The reason is because particularly the last second option is there, right? For the supported file, we'll be able to open with the directly. And from last, the third option, open with code. So certain files, you right click on that, open with, we'll get Visual Studio Code. All right. And the last option, that is add to path, which will allow us to open Visual Studio Code from command line. So that's why we have selected these options. All right. Yeah, please.
Okay,
next.
sir.
So can I click install?
Yes, install. So these sessions will be recorded and it will be delivered to you. Few of the sessions will be published in YouTube or Facebook as well for the marketing purpose. So I hope you guys are okay with that, right?
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So finish. Click on finish. No
Do you
problem.
want me to launch this?
Yeah. It's okay. Just click on finish. It will launch and you will just close it off.
Okay.
All
So
right.
now do you want me to install
Now,
JDK?
yeah, please go forward and install JDK. So in the JDK installation process, we will have two things gets installed. One is the compiler, JDK itself, and another one is the runtime. Install anyway. You're also doing the installation, right, Prashant?
Yes, sir. My VS Code has that setup has installed, and right now I'm just installing JDK.
Okay. I think Deepak, you have to make one small change. Yeah, double click on that. Click on run as administrator. Hold on. So change my app recommendation settings. Yeah, run as administrator. Second option. Try that. Go to change my app recommendation settings.
Nothing is working, sir.
Okay, close this. Try double right click on that JDK and say run as administrator. Let's see what happens.
Sir, if I disconnect from the internet, it will directly install without going to.
No. Now just close this. Right click. Even for run as administrators, the same thing is coming up.
Yes, sir.
Oh, is it so? Okay. So this is not working, right? Install anyway?
No, sir. No, sir.
It's also not working. Okay. So if you disconnect from internet, it will go to the next process, you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do disconnect from the internet. As soon as you go to the next process, don't proceed further. Connect to internet and come to the meeting. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, yeah, Prashant, could you share your screen?
Yes, sir. But sir, there is Deepak's screen right now.
Deepak, could you stop sharing your screen?
Yes, sir.
All right, done. So Prashant, go ahead and share your screen.
So I have installed this.
Okay, so already installation done.
Yes, sir.
Was there an option to choose to, adding the JDK to path environment variable?
No, sir. No, sir. There was no such option.
Okay, fine. Then click on close. We'll do that.
Sir, I've got this pop-up, sir.
Okay. Who is it? Deepak who is speaking?
Yes,
so this
sir.
is yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Deepak, share your screen. Let me see what is going on now. There should have been an option to, share multiple people.
So this is the screen I'm getting the first.
Perfect. Go to next. Click on next. Next. Yeah. All right. So this is JDK installation, and it's supposed to add its path environment its installation location to path environment variable. Click on close. Open CMD. Prashant, you are seeing, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Prashant, you are seeing the Deepak screen, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now one important step we're gonna do. Deepak, I want you to execute a command java c space
Yes.
hyphen version. Hyphen version.
Enter, sir.
Enter. You see, so the installation itself has added its location to path environment variable. So because of that, it is working. Same way, type java space hyphen version. All right. So now type code. Just type code, CODE, and enter. You should see Visual Studio Code open.
Yes, sir.
This means all the installation is perfect. Now we are ready to start learning programming. Prashant, is same thing is working in your laptop as well?
So like, okay, so let me share my screen. I will show you.
Deepak, could you stop sharing your screen?
Yes, sir.
So because of this, you see how the class is happening. Multiple people will have to share their screen, right? Because of this reason, only 5 members in a batch.
So like, what should I do now? Like, sir,
Yeah.
I have searched this Java version.
Okay, perfect. It's working. Now type code. Just type code, enter. All right. So guys, congrats. Installation is successful in your Windows. So what I'm going to do now, you guys are listening. I'll share my screen.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
You're able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in case if you are using Mac by any chance, I'll just show that to you how does that installation works. So I have downloaded the JDK here. So here it is. So that is I downloaded for your Windows. So I wanted to share it with you. I will go for Mac installer. All right. It's a DMG file. So my internet is fast, so it will happen. Download will happen fast for sure. Hold on for a few seconds. So what internet you guys are using?
Using Geo, sir.
Geo. Okay. So you'll have
Mine
to
is
see some bandwidth. So this is how we install the JDK in case of Mac, which is not necessary for you to know unless you want a Mac system. Since this video, I want to publish it in YouTube, first few sessions. So I'm just showing it off. All right.
Okay.
So I open terminal and here I type Java C space hyphen version. You see same output as yours, right? Java space hyphen version. All right. Guys, you're listening?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this terminal which I'm opening, what is terminal for me? It's an CMD in case of your Windows. All right.
Okay, sir.
So I'm gonna type one small hello world program and execute it for you. I want you to do the same sometime later. All right.
Okay.
Right
Okay,
after
sir.
this. So all the class will happen like this. I'll show this and I'll make sure that you do it in front of me. So that's why you should have patience during the live one-to-one sessions. All right. So what I'll do first, I'll know which directory I'm in. What is pwd in case of your Windows? You have to type the command dir. All right. So I'll run you through that process as well. I'll make one directory. I'll make a directory and I call it as Java OCT 2020. So you were, say October 2020 batch. I'll go inside that. Same command will work in your systems as well. All right. But instead of this, you could give your name. It's better you give your name. I'll go inside that particular folder. Now what I want to do, I am in a particular folder called Java October 2020. Here, I want to create a brand new file. How do I create a brand new file? I will take the help of the Visual Studio Code. By executing code and enter, you know that one Visual Studio Code will open, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So to this, if I give any file as input, say for example, namaste.java, anything, not just Java, it could be C, it could be C++, or it could be Python, or it could be JavaScript. So using Visual Studio Code, you can write programs for any language. All right, it's just a text editor. In this case, I'll keep the file name as namaste.java. Now, as you see, Visual Studio Code has created a file called namaste.java, right? Now, yes, I'm going to write to an program. Okay, so you just blindly see that one. I'm not teaching you programming yet. I'm just, now the installation is successful. I just want to, test it once by compiling and running a program. So for that reason, I'm giving you one particular program here. I'll just write it as public class namaste. And so here I'll say public static void main string to square brackets args, and inside this I'll write one line system.out.println and say namaste flight else. Perfect. I'll go to my command line back again. See, I'm not closing this. I'm just going to this. But before I go there, I have to save this. I'll press Ctrl S in case of my command S. I'll go here. I will compile this Java C. Before I compile, let me say in your system, you will type dir. Here I'll type ls. You see, there's only one file called namaste.java. When I say Java C space namaste.java, see in this line we given namaste.java as input to Visual Studio Code, which created the file for us. In this case, I'm giving this namaste.java as input to Java compiler. It will compile the program what is inside that, and it generates, a binary. It's called as namaste.class. Again, don't worry too much about technological part here. In today's class, I just want you to run one hello world program. All right. Now I want to execute this code. I'll say Java space namaste. Whatever we have written here, that we get the output in the console. Console means your CMD. So what is the first step? File, we'll create a file. We write this code and then we compile this using Java C. Java C means Java compiler. Java means Java virtual machine. I'm going to teach you that later. And we execute it by executing this particular statement. So far things are clear?
Yes, sir.
So I want you to share your screen, any one person, and do this. I will guide you to do that. Other person, please watch and do this. Okay, Prashant, go to your CMD. First, Deepak, you are listening, right? You are able to see Prashant's screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you open CMD, typically you will be in the C drive. As you see your prompt, C users Prashant, right?
Yes, sir.
So if we create a directory and if we write some code here, in case of your operating system got crashed for any reason, right? First thing you would be doing is you will be formatting and loading your C drive. So whatever the things you have done, your work, you may lose it. So because of this reason, what we do, we'll try to stick to some other drive. Say, hopefully as having D drive or E drive. Type
Yes,
D
sir.
colon, not CD. Yeah, that will also. D colon, just type D colon. Enter. Okay, so Deepak, can you check? Do you also have D drive or E drive or something in your laptop?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you also switch to that. Now here I want you to create a directory. Type mkdir space Give a file name. So sorry, folder name. You give the name as Prashant. All right. No, don't give space. Keep it short, right? Yeah, all right, enter. Now go inside that. How do we go inside that? CD space. Enter. So type a command dir. So we just created the directory. Obviously, there will be nothing in that. But you see that there are two directories, one with the dot and another one is dot dot. In Windows, even in Linux and Mac also, dot represents the current directory, dot dot represents the parent directory. All right. So
Okay, sir.
let's create a file here. Type the command code space namaste.java. So it's an Indian version of Hello World program. Keep N capital. 1 second, my kid is here.
Should I do this again?
Yeah, sorry. Just click on save. Just press upper arrow for the previous command. Just press upper arrow. Now just go back there and change N to capital N. See, small n will also work. I'm just trying to maintain a proper conventions from the beginning of our journey itself. All right.
Okay, sir.
So I have shared my program earlier, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'll share the program. I'll copy paste the program in your chart, but don't copy paste. But instead, what you do? See that and type the same program. You got my chart message here?
So I don't know. Chart video, more, and then chat box. Okay, sir.
In
I got the
your
message.
Zoom, just look into the chart messages. You should be able to see that. Both of you are typing the program, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Move your mouse cursor a little bit, Prashant. Yeah.
So what should I do now?
You forgot to add a semicolon in the line number 3. All right. So save this file. Control S.
Okay. Yes, sir.
You also done writing the program, Deepak?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Control S. Go to CMD. Now type the command. Just type CLS. Let's clear the screen. Wait. Just type CLS. This is for clearing the screen. All right. Now type
Yes,
Java
sir.
C space namaste.java in capital. Now type dir. You see, there's a namaste.class has been created. This is called as binary. So theoretical explanation, I'll give that to you in the next class. That is how this whole process works. All right. Today's focus is only to test drive the car. So Java space namaste. Capital N. Enter. Perfect. Congrats.
Yes,
You
sir.
completed your first Hello World program. Deepak, could you share your screen and show me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make the in string S capital and I think string. Yeah, right. That was the mistake. Save the file. Okay, saved.
Yes. So what is the next step, sir?
Java space. Namaste.
Namaste.java, right, sir?
Just namaste. Enter.
Okay.
I'll explain why it is so. Right? Okay. So you were asking earlier, like, in the fees, can you give some discount and all, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the reason why discount cannot be given is because of this reason. As you see, it's a guided class. I'll be making you work. And if I could add more people, yes, we could also have an option of discount. But the problem is that, as you see, if we are doing the training like this, step-by-step guiding, guided training like this, if we have 5 members, it can be handled. More than 5 members, it will be very, very difficult to handle, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Because I have to see all the 5 members are, doing the work. So more than 5 members, then there will be an, training will lag for a long time. So today's session was only about installation and running an allowed program. We have done that one. So initially for first few classes, let's go slow. And as we move forward, we'll start increasing the time. What do you guys say?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you two will be the team members and another 3 people I'll be adding it to your batch. And I will create one Telegram, channel or Telegram group. Not the WhatsApp group, Telegram group I'll be creating. I'll be adding you both of you into that.
Okay,
The
sir.
reason why not WhatsApp, why Telegram is because now this recorded session will be shared with you. This file size will be huge. WhatsApp do not allow us to do that. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so and please in the Telegram channel, the group, you both will anyway get to know your contact details. You are free to interact with each other and come up with a new creative things. All right, down the line.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay,
fine, guys. Then, so just to give an introduction, Prashant is the Deepak is from Chennai and Prashant is from I forgot which place, Delhi, right?
Yes, sir. I'm from Delhi.
Delhi. Okay. Prashant, Deepak, Prashant is from Delhi. I think you both are 2020 graduates, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect then. All right. So if any of your team members wish to join this batch, please do update them here. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine, guys. See you tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.